And for these questions, it is related to the variation. And for the variation, we will have the directly variable or inversely or partially. But for these questions, we know that firstly, the question mentioned that x is varying directly as y and then inversely as z squared, so that we can write the one of the equation like this: x is varies k1 and then inversely with z2. Here we have the k1, which is the constant. And then for the second equation, we know that x1 are in the question are asked like that: y decreased by 10%. So actually for the original y, it is y, and the new one decreased 10%. It means the rest is 0.9 y. So that for this one, we can write this one 0.9 y, this one, and then over for z are increased by 20%. It means at the beginning, originally z is z, and the new z is 1.2 z, because 20% increased by 20%. So here we have 1.2 z whole square, and we need to find our change of the percentage of our x. So we can use the percentage formula, the new data minus the old data, and then over the old data, and multiply 100%. So for the new data, it is, this is our x1, this is x1. The new x is our x1, so that we can put it here k1 0.9 y over, and 1.2 z whole square, it is equals to 1.44 z square. So we put this one under here, 1.44 z square, and then minus the old one. The old one is k1 y over z square, so that our equation, and minus the old one, k1 y over z square, and multiply 100%. Then we can see that there is some common factor. It is the k1 y z square. Both have the common factor, so that we can remove all the k1 and all the y and all the z square, so that the rest are 0.9 over 1.44 minus 1 over 1 multiply 100%. After the calculation with our calculator, we find that the answer is negative 37.5%. So x are decreased by this one. So we have the answer x decreased by this one, because we have used the decrease, so that here we won't use the negative sign. For this one we won't use. So that you need to care about this kind of writing skills. Or we can write that x increase by negative 37.5%. Here we use increase by negative, it means decrease. Add together, it means decrease. So that we just use this one, it is okay, rather than this one, this is not perfect. We cannot say not okay, but it is not perfect.